Guys, how you doing? Alright, I've got a Russian indestructible body, and I've had this sitting around for ages. My buddy was supposed to be making me a wrap for this, and he's been so long-winded. It's been months and months and months. The thing's just been sitting there collecting dust, and my X-Max, I want to make it look all nice and pretty and shiny. So, I've bought some of this vinyl wrap stuff. It's supposed to be for putting onto real cars, and I'm going to see if I can get this to go onto here. Guys, I've never done this before. It's probably going to come out wrong, but hell, why not just give it a go anyway? If it doesn't work, it's going to save you wasting your money. If it does work, then, well, then you can do the same as I did. And if you look at the colour, it is really close to my own legendary red colour. So, what I'm hoping is I can have a pretty looking body shell that looks awesome and is also durable. Because up until now, I could only have like the standard bodies that only last for like 1 or 2 outings and they're trashed. Or I was just running just a pure black indestructible body shell, and even though they're really super stupidly strong and durable, they're not the best at looking when they've got nothing on them. So right guys, I want to do a quick look on YouTube, quick look on YouTube, and I'm going to have a look on there to see how you're supposed to put this stuff on. I'm guessing it's not going to be very easy to do it in one. I want to try and do this in one, and I don't know. SD card just went full, so I've just had to empty the SD card and I'm going to carry on where I left off. So, what I was saying was I want to try and get this on in one hit. I don't know if I can get this thing over the whole lot and stretch it over, maybe get the heat gun out on this. I really want to get it on there on one piece. It probably won't work, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a quick look on YouTube, see if there's a video. If not, I'm going to quickly watch a video of how you're supposed to put this vinyl stuff onto a real car. Because people, they do put this stuff onto wing mirrors. They even put it onto alloy wheels. So, it's got to be doable. Just I don't know how. So let's have a quick look at the computer and figure out. He's got a heat gun. Right, so he's putting the roof on first. He's stretching it as much as he can. He's getting the heat gun. And it's shrinking. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to drill all the holes that I've got to drill. I'm going to put the roll cage on, because I don't really want to mess around with all this afterwards. So I'm going to fit it all, and then take it back off again. And the only parts you need actually, guys, if you buy yourself a new body shell, you want to put on a completely new roll cage, all you need is these 2 part numbers, and you get everything. You get all your screws, you get the latch, you get the cage, you get the lot. So I've got a standard body shell here. We can see from here, at least from the holes, we can get our centre points correct. It's a different body shell. This is the standard Traxxas one, but we can get our centre points right. By the way, guys, if you ever measure the centre points of a hole, rather than try to hold it on the middle for middle, provided both sides holes are the same size, what you can do, you just go from the edge of that hole to the edge of that hole, and that's going to give you the exact centres. And you're not guessing. You haven't got to kind of guess where the middle exactly is. So that is actually our exact bang on centre. So now we can hold that on there. Alright, and height wise, we're probably going to be roughly about the same. So this is a body shell reamer. All good model shops will have them. You'll find them on eBay and Amazon as well. And I probably will end up cutting this window out actually, because I want to put a GoPro camera in this thing. Like I did on the other body shell, so I can have the option of facing out the front or facing out the back as well. And hopefully these will line up with the holes that are in there. On the other body, these actually didn't line up. Once I mounted the front first, then I couldn't get these to line up. I had to mount them a bit further back. I'm hoping this isn't going to be the case here. If we go with those holes where they're marked out, this is going to line up perfectly. But I'm dreading that this body has shrunk a bit. And as you can see, look, about ½ an inch out there. So I don't know if I mounted these ones first, will this still squash over? Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go! When I done the other body shell, I did actually put the front on first, and then I put the back on. So I'm going to try it differently this time. This will have to come off again, by the way. I've still got to cut this hole here for the latch. So this is only just a temporary. Alright, so this one should line up where the marks are. This, hopefully. Yeah, it's a little bit out. Well, I think the best way is going to be just to do 2 new holes here, and then these ones they can just stretch over a little bit. Alright, that's how we're going to do it. Guys, I don't know if it's the right way, but it's the way that I'm going to do it. That's the thing with this hobby, there's no right and wrong way, you just got to do whatever makes you happy. Whichever way puts the biggest smile on your face. You hear so much, I see so much in the Facebook groups and on forums and in the YouTube videos, people say, no, you're doing it wrong, no, you're not supposed to do it like that. The right way is whichever way puts the biggest smile on your face. If you're having a good time, if you're having a laugh, if you're enjoying yourself, that's the right way of doing it. Fits great actually. That does actually fit pretty damn perfect. Still got to put the latch on there, but that's all latched in, that's all the way forward. That's where it's going to sit. We've got a little bit of gap here on the bumper. We've got a little bit of gap here on the front bumper too. So in a way it's probably better that the body shrunk a little bit. Because a lot of time when these ping off is what happens is that these bumpers push in, they hit the body and they just pop it out. So maybe that's why these Russian bodies don't pop off as much as the standard body shells. Alright, happy with that. Oh, guys. If I can make this red wrap work on this thing, I'm going to be so over the moon. Alright, so next I have to get this latch mechanism in. You kind of see the outline there still, so I'm just going to go around there with a marker pen. Alright, we're on. So now, I'll take you back over here. You'll see that this doesn't latch down. It doesn't go down far enough. So all we've got to do is get the heat gun out, put a bit of heat around there, let the plastic go soft, push that down, let the plastic cool down, and then it will stay like that. So, heat gun. So I've got this rubber, latex, leather glove, can't talk today. Get that over there like that. You don't want the Traxxas plastic to melt really, if we can help it. Just give it a bit of heat, hope for the best. Want to be heating up both sides evenly. I'll just kick them in there so you can see what's going on, guys. Right, see, we're in now. Didn't even need that much heat, to be honest. If we look there now, guys, what that's done is just, yeah, that's definitely, I'll probably put even more heat in there than what I had to. It's just going to reshape that now for that to fit down there perfectly. So I want to give that 10 minutes to cool down, and then we'll get this roll cage back off, and then I guess we'll have a little go to see what we can do with this. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes. It's all cooled down, and as you can see, that's perfectly moulded that into there. Beautiful! So now we'll get all this roll cage back off of here, and then I'm going to give this vinyl wrap a go. I'm not really optimistic that it's going to work. I think it's too much of a stretch for it to work. But if you don't try, you don't know. Alright, so next job, I want to make sure that this stuff's going to stick on there well. If there's any grease on there, I've got to make sure you get all of that off of there. Guys, if this comes out well, I'm going to post a video. If it comes out bad, I'm going to post a video as well. I'm all about being real with you guys. I know a lot of people, they're only going to post up stuff when there's a success. I'll post up everything. I'll post up when I win. I'll post up when I fail. You know, with me, what you see is what you get. You're not going to see any BS in this channel. You're not going to see anything made up. You just see it how it is. Alright. Hopefully I've got enough here. Yes, by the looks of it, I've got enough. If I mess it up, I could at least do it in sections. That should definitely be enough that way. Yeah, enough that way. And now you professional rappers out there, you're all probably going to be laughing at me, and I don't blame you. I'll be laughing at myself too. I've never done this before. Really have not got a clue what I'm supposed to be doing. I did think you have to put on some washing up liquid, but looking at some videos that I've just watched, no one really bothered to do it. They just stuck it on and used a hot air gun. I'm not really sure what to do, guys. I think I do have to definitely get this off of there first. Then we've got to heat up the whole thing to make it more pliable, I think the word is. But I haven't got enough hands to heat this thing up on my own. Yes, I'm going to do it on this table here. Nice and clean, no dust on there. Alright, let's do this. I'm not even sure if you can heat this stuff up with a heat gun. We will see. My buddy did say that the cheap stuff, it doesn't really stretch. If that's the case... Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no. Look at it. Alright. So obviously we've got to get this thing in the middle. Guys, I did it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Drum roll, drum roll. Here she is. She's coming. She's coming. Check it out. Oh, guys, I'm so happy with how this has came out. It's absolutely came out perfect. Check it out. Let me just zoom you in a little bit there so you can get a better look at it. I mean, we got a couple of little creases in there. Nothing too major. I think from a distance. We go back from a little distance, maybe put it out of focus a little bit. It doesn't look too bad. I don't think anyone's going to notice, especially when you actually put it onto the truck. I mean, you know, just picture, get a couple of stickers on there and stuff, and it's not too bad. Obviously, guys, epic fail. It didn't work. Plan B. I just rang my buddy up. He's like an expert in putting wraps on stuff, and he said it's not doable. He said it's too much of a complex surface. It's just not doable. But me being me, I thought I'd give it a go anyway. And yeah, maybe it is possible. I don't know. Give me a note in the comments, guys, if you've ever done anything like this before. If you think it's doable, give me a note in the comments. Because if this actually worked, I think that could be a really good solution. But no, obviously like that, no. Alright guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon guys. Bye!